Assalamu alaikum audience. So today I will discuss lecture number 63. So previously I have uploaded all my lectures on Dawn newspaper vocabulary. So these will help you in all competitive examinations. So the first one is berated. So its meaning malamat karna, to criticize in a loud and angry way. Next one, sermonized, khutbah dena. So to give someone unwanted advice about good or moral behavior. So in Islam, mostly sermons are given on the occasion of Hajj or in Jummah prayer. Next one, misogyny. So a hatred of women, and those person who hate women are called misogynist. Next one, inexcusable, so unforgivable. Next one, blatant, so blazing, noisy. Next one, trivializing, so minor, unimportant, negligible, minute. Next one, fissure or fissures, so crack, crevice, surah, chad. Next one, immodest, so showing a high opinion of yourself or your worth. Next one, there are some NGOs in Pakistan as well as across the world, and whose main objective is to uplift the socio-economic status of women across the world. But specifically, I will talk about Pakistan. So, Avarat Foundation, Women Action Forum, and Sharkat Gah. So, all these are non-governmental organizations along with Human Rights Commission of Pakistan. So these organizations working for human rights, but specifically for women rights. Next one, inception. So beginning, lunch, start. Next one, entangled. So involved in difficulties, entrap, snarl, tangle, or we can say involved in something difficult condition or situation. Next one, intrigues, so conspiracy, design or scheme. Next one, panacea, so something that cures all ills or problems. Next one, ransom, so payment for the release of someone uh, if the person has been abducted. Next one, ineptness, so the meaning of ineptness is an aptitude, a clumsiness, slowness, unskillfulness resulting from lack of experience, or we can say maladroitness. Next one, bureaucracy is the death of all sound work, and this quotation was given by sage personality and a famous physicist, and that is Albert Einstein. Next one, idolatry, so worship, veneration. Next one, idolaters, so atheist, non-believers, are polytheist. Next one, splintered, so breakaway, and Article 25A of the Constitution of Pakistan, which promises free and compulsory education to all children in Pakistan having age from 5 to 16. So it's all for today, and thanks for watching Dawn Times, and stick to Dawn Times for more videos and updates. Thank you.